Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Rafidah. As you know that buttercream is one of the common frosting that we always use to decorate the cake. The topic learning outcome for today is to make the buttercream with the right mixing technique. Okay, what is buttercream actually? Number one function of the frosting that we use to cover the cake inside and outside the cake. Okay, basically there are three types of buttercream, which are simple buttercream. The second one is meringue based buttercream. And the third one is other variety buttercream like French buttercream. Okay, for today's topic, I would like to show you how to make simple buttercream by using only 3 ingredients. The ingredients are 500 grams of cream well. Cream well, also known as cream mixture, is an ingredient that has similar texture like the vegetable shortening. It helps to regulate the buttercream taste and texture. The second one is 250 grams of butter or margarine. Make sure if you use butter, the butter at the room temperature. And the third ingredient is 500 grams of condensed milk. Okay, I will show you the mixing method of the ingredient. Add your cream well and butter to your mixture and beat until smooth and creamy at the medium speed. Be sure it's all at the room temperature. After the batter double up the volume, then using low speed add condensed milk until it combines nicely. It is ready to use. Make sure don't overbeat it because it's a bit hard to decorate your cake with overbeat frosting. So, before you use it, you can color it and flavor. Okay, the conclusion is, for the next topic, we learn how to decorate cake using buttercream. That's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.